am Grace Covington. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for watching, for coming here, for joining me today. Go ahead, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, girl, hit that subscribe button. Girl, if you have not liked this video already, girl, hit that like button. If you have not shared, you better hit that share and share this with someone, because this information I'm going to share with you is going to change your life. I'm here to facilitate change on this planet, and I'm so grateful that you were led into this space, because if you are ready to thrive on this planet, and if you've been wondering, how does this work? Because I see so many people that are, living their lives, they're traveling the world, they're waking up from the space of freedom, and you're ready to choose that, to have that. Well, today we are going to get into those details and show you exactly how you can begin to do that. So I'm going to begin by sharing a little bit about my story. I have asked y'all for a very, 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 very long time. I want to be free. I want to live life in a way that works for me. I'm waking up, doing what I want, not feeling rushed, having to race and create someone else's big dream. And, with all that energy that comes from that, I've worked in toxic environments, y'all, that were very diminishing. As a Black woman, y'all, there are people on this planet, unfortunately, but we're keeping it 100, that have a problem accepting the brilliance of a Black woman, the brilliance and potency of Black people. They are just intimidated by that. And once you come into their space, and some people have never worked with people that look different from them, so they have a hard time with this. And once you come into their environments, y'all, if you've worked in a toxic environment, I'm not going to dive into that, but I want you to, so you can kind of relate, to see where I'm coming from and how you get out, basically, how you get out. You don't have to stay in a toxic environment. If you're not happy in your job, you do not have to stay. You can get out. If you want to live abroad, you can choose to live wherever you want to live. If you want to travel the world, experience the beauty of this world that we have been given. This planet, God placed us on this planet to thrive and for us to enjoy, for us to have fun. If you're ready for that, that is the life that you are being called into. It's not about struggle. It's not about staying on a job that you hate or where people are diminishing you. You can get out and you can be free. So we're going to talk about exactly how you begin to do that right away. I made some coffee, y'all. I'm going to have a sip of my coffee because I love coffee, and this Colombian coffee, which I grabbed while I was in Colombia, enjoying the streets of Colombia. Yes. So let's talk about this, about funding your freedom. This information came to me during one of the lowest moments of my life. I told y'all I had been struggling for years, wondering, how can I make this work? I know in this reality, you require money to be able to do the things that you love, but I felt like my job had chained me. Like the only way that I knew to create money was through my job. And I have been asking, I'm like, this needs to change. I'm ready for this to change. And then this beautiful idea came into my life from a space of where you are taking the gifts that you have and you are monetizing those ideas, and people are paying you. So let's take a pause, because a lot of people, y'all have heard this in these streets, monetize your ideas, and maybe you've tried different courses, you've tried different things, and nothing is happening. People are telling you, like, monetize your YouTube, but child, you're trying to monetize that YouTube and you're still at 5 subscribers and only like 4 views. And, so if you have tried things, that is perfect. But this is different, y'all. This is different because it taps into the space of your uniqueness. You are here on this planet because you're unique. You've been given gifts, and accessing that gold, that wealth, and bringing it out into the world, and having the people that are looking for what you have find you is one of the most beautiful ways for you to generate your life and live your life on your terms. So where what I'm talking about is different is that you are really tapping into the gifts that you have and bringing those gifts out into the world and doing it in a way where people can find you with ease. Now, most people start to panic and say, I have no ideas. I don't know, what people will pay for. I don't even know, because maybe sometimes, when you work in these corporate environments, your brain gets taken and your creativity gets snatched. And sometimes you can't see beyond working for someone else, but hang with me, girl, hang with me. I have been there. Hang with me, hang with me. I can't speak today. Hang with me. So what I want you to tap into is that when I look at my life, there are things that I outsource in my life, because those are things that I absolutely do not want to do. I don't want to spend much time doing them. And I pay someone who actually loves it and enjoys it. So that's the same space in your life. There are things in your life that that people are willing to pay you for. And it's just bringing your gifts out into the world and allowing people to pay you, allowing money to find you. Y'all, this has been made so simple, but we complicate this by, doubt, by fear, by thinking we don't have anything, that we're not brilliant, that we're not unique, that no one's gonna pay us. Like, this mind is what stops everything that you're asking for to show up. But when you truly value yourself, when you truly value that you've been created to thrive, to prosper, you're not gonna let that stop you. You are not gonna let that stop you. So that's one of the reasons why I created my course, Fund Your Freedom, because it takes you out of the fear. It takes you out of believing in the impossibility that you can actually fund your freedom by the gifts that you have, by what you know. And this process is unique, it's simple, it's easy, it is a spiritual process, it's a healing process, because a lot of us need to heal from the toxic environments that we have worked in, where maybe people diminish you, or people diminished your dreams, or told you that you couldn't do this, or that you should just focus on getting a job, or getting your degree, and working a 9-to-5, because all of this other stuff you trying to do, girl, ain't nobody gonna pay you. Well, that begins to heal that, because we do have to heal from the trauma of ignoring our dreams, from the trauma of our dreams being shut down, or if you had a partner, a parent who told you, you're not gonna make money from that. Those are things we have to heal from, because the things that will actually make you money are the things that you are not willing to bring out here into the world. And this process walks you through the healing of that, stepping into your brilliance and using the tools we have and resources here, the systems, because you do have to have a plan and a system to bring things out into the world. And what I offer is very nurturing, and wow, it has changed my life, y'all. I've been able to get out of these toxic environments. I've been able to be free and now step into the abundance, to step into my paradise that I have been anointed and called into, to wake up and say, yes, today I'm living my life. Yes, today I'm enjoying this planet. Yes, I'm gonna go choose and travel to that beautiful place so that I can be immersed in the beauty that I deserve, that I can fully enjoy this planet to its utmost, most, and be happy and be joyful and be at peace and rest, y'all. And rest, y'all. So I do want to say, I'm not making, jobs wrong, working for corporate America wrong. What I'm saying to you is, you have the ability to live life in a way that truly works for you, from a space of joy. If you're not experiencing joy, if you're not experiencing pleasure, if you are not experiencing living, you have access to that, and you can fund your freedom. Even if you work a 9-to-5 and if you're happy, but you are looking for something else, yes, we talk about that in my new program. If I haven't said it, Fund Your Freedom. And if you're an entrepreneur and you're like stuck and things are not working. You're trying to monetize your YouTube and that ain't working. You're trying to do this and that. Girl, come home so you can receive this information to totally transform your life. I am truly excited that this information is here to facilitate others to come home and live your life. Start living life on your terms. Start healing. Start operating from a space of joy. Let joy be your foundation. Let your everyday, like waking up, like you are excited, y'all. There is a difference when you are excited about the life that you're living. You're not, worried, stressed, about money. And that's the other thing is when you're in this space, I'm not just talking, when I say fund your freedom, I'm not just saying just being mediocre and, having enough money just to pay the bills. We are talking about the abundance that is here, the money that is here for you to truly go beyond where you are, to go beyond where you never thought you could go with money, to receive and have money, y'all. Have money, have your bills paid. Oh, y'all, some of y'all are not ready for this, but those that are ready, welcome. I welcome you into the space. There is a link below this video that will give you access. I've made this very accessible because I am listening to the wisdom that has been given to me of what this course looks like, where it wants to go, how much it should be. So welcome. I'm welcoming you all. There's some of you that have already joined. Thank you so much. And welcome to freedom. Welcome to freedom. Welcome to funding your freedom. Welcome to healing. Welcome to joy. Welcome to peace. Welcome to excellence. Welcome to rest. Welcome to pleasure. Welcome to everything that you are asking for and it's showing up with ease. I am so grateful for y'all. If you haven't subscribed, girl, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Share this video. Invite other people that you know that are looking for transformation and change because it is here. We are here today to receive it, to have it, and to create it. Thank you all for watching, and we will see each other soon.